Find domain and range of the real valued function f of x is equal to square root of 9 minus x square. Now first we want to determine domain. Now since it is an square root function, it is defined only if 9 minus x square greater than or equal to 0. So this implies 9 greater than or equal to x square. So this implies x square less than or equal to 9. Now x square is less than or equal to 9 only if your x lies between an interval minus 3 to plus 3, and therefore the domain of this function is minus 3 to plus 3. Now you can also solve here. 9 minus x square greater than or equal to 0 implies 3 minus x, 3 plus x. If you factorize this term, it is a square minus b square, that is this is 3 square minus x square. So this is what 3 minus x greater than or equal to 0. So now this term is greater than or equal to 0. Again there are two cases. Case number first, in case number first 3 minus x greater than or equal to 0 and 3 plus x greater than or equal to 0, and in the second case 3 minus x less than or equal to 0 and 3 plus x less than or equal to 0. Now this implies 3 greater than or equal to x and 3 greater than or equal to minus x, and here 3 less than or equal to x, or x greater than or equal to 3, and again 3 or x less than or equal to minus 3, x less than or equal to minus 3. So if you combine these two equations, if you determine the common values of x, if you draw the graph, suppose this is the real line and here is the 0, 3 and minus 3. Now x less than or equal to 3 means what, this part, x less than or equal to 3, and if 3 greater than or equal to minus x, or this can be written as minus x less than or equal to 3, implies x greater than or equal to minus 3. So x greater than or equal to minus 3 means what, this part. So what is the common part here? The common part is minus 3. You can observe here, this is the common part, okay, minus 3 to plus 3, this is the okay, and here x greater than 3, if you draw this second case, see here 0, minus 3 and plus 3, x greater than or equal to 3 and x less than or equal to minus 3. So there is no solution here in the second case. Okay, so what is the domain here? Domain is equal to minus 3 to plus 3. Now next we want to determine range. So range, given instead of f of x, right here f of x is equal to y. So we write the given function as y is equal to 9 minus x square. Now since it is a square root function, the one solution, so it is a positive function, so y is greater than or equal to 0 is one solution. Now for the second solution, if you square on both sides, then y square is equal to 9 minus x square. If you write this function in terms of x, so x square is equal to 9 minus y square, and this implies x is equal to under root of 9 minus y square. Now since this function this function is defined only if 9 minus y square greater than or equal to 0. So this implies 9 greater than or equal to y square, and again that is y square less than or equal to 9 is only true if your y belongs in the interval minus 3 to plus 3. So this is the second solution. What is the first solution? Y greater than or equal to 0. So if you combine these two solution, if you determine the common solution of these two equation, then you will get the domain is equal to 0 to 3. Sorry, not domain, sorry, range is equal to, this is what, range. Domain is what, -3 to +3. You can draw this, you can observe this from real line also. Suppose here 0 and here is 3. Now in first case y is greater than or equal to 0, and then in the second case it is what, -3 to +3, -3 to +3. So what is the common solution? 0 to 3. So range is equal to 0 to 3. Again you can use the graphical method also. You can observe, since given y is equal to square root of 9 minus x square. So if you square on both sides, you will get y square is equal to 9 minus x square. So this implies it is x square plus y square is equal to 9. So this implies it is x square plus y square is equal to 3 square. So since it is a square root function, so it is always positive. So if you draw the graph here, -3 plus 3 and here is the 3, then this is the graph of this given function. This is the graph of the given function y is equal to square root of x square minus 9. For below the x axis it is what? For below the x axis it is 9, y is equal to -9 minus under root of x square minus 9. But since it is given only y is equal to x square 9 minus x square, so sorry, here 9 minus x square, 9 minus x square, 9 minus x square. So you can observe here, this is the on x axis represent the range. So x is equal to -3 to +3, and y axis represent x axis represent domain and y axis represent range, and therefore domain is equal to -3 to +3. This is the domain, -3 to +3, and range on y axis, that is, this is the range. So range is what? 0 to 3.